Hey you guys, Tanel here, and I'm back with another crochet video. Yes you guys, I did these short box braids using the crochet method. So if you have any trouble gathering hair or installing hair while you're braiding, then this is the video for you. So as usual, I started off with freshly washed hair that has been stretched, and I did the lock method prior, but I wanted to add a little bit more moisture. So I am using a butter to give my hair a little bit more moisture, because remember, this is a protected style, so you want to make sure that your hair is nicely moisturized before installing the braids, because Kick-a-line hair or synthetic hair can be drying. So we're just going to make sure that we spread this all throughout my hair. Then I'm just going to do the same to both sides, and then I'm going to seal in that moisture by adding my favorite oil or your favorite oil of choice, and I am using my special blend oil. Okay, now that my hair is nicely moisturized, it's time for the next step, and I'm going to use some clips to make sure my hair is out of the way, some rubber bands because we are doing the crochet method, and a wide tooth comb and a rat tooth comb, which is very important for parting. So I am just going to simply brush my hair forward or comb my hair forward using the wide tooth comb so I can start the parting in the back. And you're going to make sure that you take your wide tooth comb, because this is going to help you guide to try to get the parting straight as possible. And you're also going to need a mirror, because if you're doing it yourself, then you're going to have to see what you're doing from behind. But if you have, someone that can assist you, that would be great, because you guys, it was Struggleville. I had such a hard time parting, and like I said, not only did I do parting by myself, but I was trying to do triangle parts. But don't worry, you can look up Kirsty. I can't remember her name, but I would definitely leave her name here either on the screen or link the video down below in the description box. But yes, only suggestion I would have is to, use your mirror, take your time, try to get your parting as straight as possible. And when doing the triangle, start in the center. So in the back I'm doing 3, so I will start in the center and do a downward triangle, and then that way the two sides will form easily. But yeah, like I said, it was a struggle. But watch me as closely as possible to see what I'm doing to get these parting straight. And each section I'm just going to add a rubber band, because we don't have to worry about gathering, because we are going to crochet once we have all our parting separated and rubber band individually. Okay, so I have completely parted and rubber band my hair, and now I'm just going back in and I'm going to seal in the moisture and add oil to my scalp so I won't have itchy dry scalp. Remember, protect your natural hair at all times. Now once this is complete, I'm going to show you guys what I used. I used the Mango Lock Firm Wax, a crochet needle, and I'm using the Outre Braid Baby Hair. You guys, this is one of the best braiding hair that I have ever used before. It does not tangle, it's very lightweight, and it's easy to work with. I just wish I wouldn't have cut it, but I'm going to show you guys why later. So I'm just going to take about a dime size amount to each little small little ponytail and make sure I work it from root to end. And you use some type of wax or gel while you braided the hair so your hair can easily blend in with the Calculon hair. Now as you guys can see, I cut the hair. Like I stated, I shouldn't have did that, but what I'm doing right now is just fraying the ends, which when I think back, it's not even necessary because I'm cutting the ends to have that blunt look. But anyway, I am just going to crochet through the little small ponytail, and then when it's that completed, I will separate and I will have 3 sections. So this is why it makes it so much easier, because you don't have to worry about grasping the hair or none of that and trying to weave in the extension hair with your hair. So super duper easy and simple, very quick. Like I say, the longest part is getting the parting done, and once you complete the parting, like this part is a breeze because all you're really doing is crocheting the hair in and braiding down. Braiding is complete, and as you can see why, this is what I was talking about when I said I shouldn't have separated the hair. As you can see, it is uneven, so I had to go back and just use the regular length of the hair and then go back and cut it. I didn't have to do it for everything, just most of the ones in the front. So now that the braids are all even, I added rubber bands to the ends, and I'm making straight blunt cuts. this trend is in right now. If you don't want this, then like I suggested, you can do the taper look, or you can still make it blunt without adding the rubber bands. But I think this style is so cute and unique. So now that all of that is done, now we're going to add some foaming mousse or lotion, and this is just to get rid of any flyaways and to slick down the hair and help blend my natural hair with the Kakalon hair. So I'm just putting it all over, mostly focus it on the top of the hair to the mid shaft of the hair, because that's what my hair is, and that's another reason why I shouldn't have did it. But before I get into that, we're going to slick down these edges. You can use any edge gel or whatever, but like I was saying, I stretched my hair so it made it longer, and when I cut the Kakalon braiding hair, it was blending all the way down to the ends of my hair. So if I would have kept it the full length, I could have went the full length of my hair. So I will suggest that keep the full length of the hair, and then you won't have to worry about your hair meeting it, and you can, get the desired length that you want. So I am just going to allow this to set, and I'm going to beat my face, and I will be right back. So my face is completed, my hair has set, and we're going to add some accessories to our hair, which I really think this makes the style. It's okay right now, but we're going to add those beads. I'm going to add those to the ends where the rubber bands are, so that's why I think this is cute. Now, I didn't do each braid with these beads. You're more than welcome to do that. I don't feel like it's necessary. It is a look and it will be a vibe, but I didn't want to do that because I was adding another accessory. I'm going to add some gold, I don't know what you call the string or rope, whatever. So I'm adding that as well, and you can get both of these at your local beauty supply store, maybe even Walmart, but definitely your local beauty supply store, your craft store. You can get any type of color, thread or beading, whatever to add to this, but definitely your local beauty supply store. So I am just taking that string, the gold string, and I'm wrapping it around. I think I did about 2 or 3 braids, mostly focused it on the front of the hair. And yes, that's pretty much it, you guys. I really like this style. I can't wait to redo it and really perfect the things that I made a mistake the first time, but because I did it the first time and made the mistakes, I'm coming to tell you guys, don't make those same mistakes. Follow what I'm telling you to do, and you will enjoy this style too. So you guys, you already know. Thank you for watching. I love you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, also share. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.